How to fix Chick-fil-A app won't let me log in. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Chick-fil-A. Once you're in this page, tap on For You at the bottom. You can try logging into your account with the help of another account. If not, try refreshing the page. Simply close the application and then reopen it. After that, the next thing you wanna do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General and then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, you need to search for the application Chick-fil-A. After that, simply move into the app. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. If not, try updating the application to the latest version. Move into App Store and search for Chick-fil-A. Move into this app. Over here, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, tap on Update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.